Welcome learners to my channel. Myself Parminder Kaur, and today I will discuss with you two questions. First question is, what is the difference between threat, vulnerability and risk? This is a very important question. First is threat. So you should know that what is a threat? Threat is a malicious event that takes the advantage of vulnerability. As you see in the slide, that anything that can exploit vulnerability. Vulnerability means weakness. This can be intentionally or accidentally and obtain, damage or destroy an asset. It means threat is a negative event which damage or destroy an asset if it exploit vulnerability. Next is vulnerability. Vulnerability exposes your organizations to threat. As you see that weaknesses or gaps in a security program that can be exploited by threats to gain unauthorized access to an asset is known as vulnerability. So, what is vulnerability? Vulnerability exposes your organization to threat, and the meaning of vulnerability is weakness or gaps. Next is risk. The potential for loss, damage, or destruction of an asset. It means if there is a destruction of an asset and it brings risk. So we can say that risk is the potential for loss and damage when the threat does occur. It means threat brings risk to the organization. So I hope that the meaning and the difference between threat, vulnerability and risk is clear to you. Next is very important question, that is difference between virus and spyware. So virus brings damage to data, but on the other hand, spyware is used to steal sensitive private information. It means virus damages the data and spyware steal sensitive private information. Virus is written by hackers, but on the other hand, spyware is written by professional online criminals. Why? To steal sensitive private information like the name and financial information. Virus is obvious and can be detected with antivirus software. It means if you download any software or application from the internet, then infection is obvious. But if there is a virus, we can detect it with antivirus software. But on the other hand, spyware is silent. Why? Because it is written by online criminals and cannot be detected with antivirus software. Most computer users are sufficiently protected. Why? Because these days systems comes with software, antivirus software. So computer users are protected. But on the other hand, because it is written by professionals, very few computer users are protected. Dear learners, if you like this video, kindly share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Next and the last Difference is, in these days, the threat of viruses decreases, but the threat of spyware is increases. So this is the difference between virus and spyware. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching and subscribing my channel. Thanks a lot.